Shetty, my lord.
SPP ಅವರೇ,
3 matters can be disposed of, my lord. 70, 70.1 and
70, 70.1 and this.
yes, my lord. My lord, this serial number 7 and 70, my lord,
Prevention to cruelty to animals, ಏನು elephant da?
cock fight, ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂಕ.
Oh,
ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂಕಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ನೀವು
Then
ಕೋಳಿ
two
ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ?
There are 2 FIRs, my lord. One
ನೀವು
is,
ಯಾಕೆ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
no, my lord, the police wanted to stop it.
ಹಾ.
At that juncture, my lord, in the first petition, serial number 7
Why
and
are
my
you
lord,
using
70,
this?
the MLA, sitting MLA and who is belonging to Congress party, they went and, my lord, stopped the police activities, my lord. They wanted to prevent it. So,
ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಳಿ ಜಗಳ
ಕೋಳಿ ಜಗಳನ, ಕೋಳಿ ಅಂಕ ನಿಲ್ಸಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರು police.
ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ first day at the instance of MLA and Congress party workers, my lord, they went and, my lord, they asked the police to go back. Then, my lord, next day again, my lord, police went to the spot. 2 days program it was. Then, my lord, BJP
ಕೋಳಿ 2 days program.
ex-MLA, my lord, who belongs to BJP, and, my lord, their party workers went to, and, my lord, they also said the police to go back. This is why, my lord, the case has been registered.
ಈ ಕೋಳಿಲಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ?
Earlier MLA and this, the present MLA.
It's also
Both are
Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act.
ಹಂಗೆ ಜಲ್ಲಿಕಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಬಾಳ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ.
For 221, my lord, there is no, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
That complaint should have
ಉಮೇಶ್
been
ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ
filed.
ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೋಣ. ವೆದರ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರುಯಲ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ. ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್
Fairly
7.
covered, my lord. Last week also, my lord,
SPP ಅವ್ರು
it was
ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
amended and my lordship indicated that the 70 and 71 both will be disposed of next week.
ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಇದು ಕೋಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, Umesh Shetty squarely covered.
We'll check.
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Squarely covered, my lord.
ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ police, my lord, suddenly raided and said.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್ SPP ಅವರೇ,
Yes, ma'am.
ಕೋಳಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್?
ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಎರಡು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, obstructed the police from discharging their duties, the allegation, sum and substance.
The 221 may go because of the other.
ಅದೇ 221 will go
That
straight
cannot be
away.
separated. Predominantly, the offense is
ಅದೇ
221. That is
ಜಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ
that is why Rajshekharananda
Lordship give us
Swami.
liberty. We'll file a complaint. Lordship can quash it and give us
ಈ
liberty.
ಕೋಳಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ?
If the state wants to do it, they can.
ಉಮೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಲಿಬರ್ಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
ರಾಜಶೇಖರನ್ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಪರೇಟೆಡ್ ವೆನ್ ದಿ
It cannot be
ಪ್ರಿಡಾಮಿನೆಂಟ್.
separated that time.
The law at the time of Umesh Shetty and today are different. At the time of Umesh Shetty, my lord, that the officer promulgated or the superior officer. Now, even delegation can be given. We'll take a delegation and file a complaint. There's a change in the BNS.
Is a suo motu complaint registered by police. It is not that the case where.
ಮುಂದಿನ 7ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಮಾಡುವ.
Please.
7
In the first matter,
tag,
serial number 7 may be.
Tag 7 with 70 and 70.1.
Same interim order may be. Stay may be.
Interim order.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 7.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? In the light of the interim order subsisting in the companion petition, there shall be an interim order in the case at hand as well. 7th ಮುಗಿಸು.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸೋದು ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ 14th ಹಾಕ್ಲ? ಬೇಡ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಉಂಟಾ?
Next matter, my lord, it's a
ಬೇಲ್.
regular bail petition, my
yes,
lord.
sir.
He is in custody more than, my lord, 40.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಎಸ್.
Not,
ಬಗೈರ್ ಹುಕುಂ.
now, my lord, everything is, my lord, is in the hands of the police and the government. Nothing to be recovered and no more custody is required.
ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ?
Allah,
Yes,
they
yes,
have not
good,
sought for custody. They have, my lord, remanded to judicial custody. 69 years old.
73 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, 69. ಅದು ಅವರ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. He is a, my lord, cancer patient at 4th. Joint family is taking care, my lord.
Oh, you nobody to take care of
Brother. He is in the 4th stage, my lord. We have produced.
ಬ್ರದರ್ ಏನ್ ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
My lord, now your lordships have dismissed the 482 petition, my lord. A message has been sent. My lord, thereafter he has been arrested. He is detained in custody, my lord.
Further message
has been sent. Now, my lord, he has in the custody for more than 45 days, my lord.
ಈಗ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
That cannot be, my lord, because in this case, my lord, the offences alleged are all, my lord, below 7 years, triable by magistrate. My lord, only one offence, my lord, that can be extended up to 10 years, my lord, is my respectful submission. So, since, my lord, They have not sought for police custody, my lord. Even assuming, my lord, that there is a grave charge or allegation, as your lordships observed while dismissing. But at this stage, my lord, detaining him in custody will not, my lord, serve any purpose.
Filing the statement of objection.
Everything is, my lord,
Yes,
ಕಾಪಿ ಈಗ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
yes, my lord.
everything is, my lord, my lord, pertaining to documentary evidence.
ಈಗ CID ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ?
CID is investigating.
CID arrested, my lord, after lapse of, my lord, 2 years, your lordship's dismissal, my lord, of that petition. But they-
Why now you have arrested? ಬೇಕಾ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರಿಸಿ ಬರೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು, ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೋ ರಿಕವರಿ, ನಥಿಂಗ್.
No, there are many things, many recovered, many things are there.
No, nothing has been recovered from him. They have recoveries maybe. They have seized documents from the government. But nothing from his, you know, the person or any.
Objection ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ.
But,
ನೋಡ್, seventh will
some
finish
urgency
this
is
also.
there, my lord.
Marriage?
Some urgency is there, my lord. That is the reason why, my lord, is in custody.
ಆಯ್ತು, Monday or Tuesday ಯಾವ್ದು?
Old man, my lord, ex-MLA is in custody, my lord.
ಸರ್ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
No, in fact, my
It's
lord,
only allegation, my lord.
Yeah,
It's not
so-
that, my lord.
so
he has-
ಏನ್ allegation?
No,
ನಾನೇ
not
ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
so, my lord. I'm only,
fact, my lord, I can
at the
show your
best, my
lordship.
lord.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
no, in fact,
My lord, they have arrested after lapse of 2.5 years.
As
Not that, my lord,
As you sow-
immediately a fresh crime
as
has
you
been
sow,
registered,
so you reap,
something
sir.
has been recovered, nothing has happened in this case.
as you sow, so you reap.
no, in fact, for just one document, two documents, my lord, your lordship, you see how. the
Government
petition is
land ಸುಮ್ನೆ
conducted.
ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Those
ಏನ್
are all-
acres together
those are
sold
all, my
to
lord,
people who are
appealable.
not even eligible?
Even assistant commissioner could challenge that and file appeal, my lord. Not that, my lord,
ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ
not that, my lord, they can
Guilt,
challenge
then?
it, my lord. They have not challenged it. My lord,
I
even
have
the
written that,
Kashid-
I have written that 482, sir. I know what has happened in that. I have gone through the entire file in that. ಯಾರು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಬಗೈರ್ ಹುಕುಂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬಗೈರ್ ಕಾನೂನು ಅಂತ.
My lord, nothing is, my lord, recovered or no allegation of that corruption or anything. He has only, there is no allegation of taking some favoritism or any, my lord, money has been
You
seized. or-
bartered away government land.
No, that, my lord.
That's not allegation of
exercising
corruption.
Discretion, my lord, given to a
Discretion
committee. Yes,
of
my lord.
bartering away
If it
government
is
land.
wrong, there is appeal mechanism also. Lord, now it is matter for investigation or at the best trial if they file charge
ಏನು
sheet.
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
No, some, wherever is convenient, lordship, you see, wherever is convenient, the flag ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, madam.
ACA has sent, my lord, report long back. No action has been taken by the state. Now only,
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
you have
arrest
hauled
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
everybody. I have not singled out anybody and said you go against him.
everybody got anticipatory bail, my lord. Only
No, no,
this
not
petitioner
everybody.
and
There are other
subsequently
Tahsildars
few
also.
are arrested.
In fact, today only the two more petitions are there, my lord, where they're in custody. 3 kilometers within the range of 3 kilometers. It's not that he do not know, he knows, he rejects
He
it.
is from that place only.
He rejects it, no, the question is whether I can grant a land up to 3 kilometers. For some, he rejects it, saying that within the 3 kilometers, therefore you are not eligible. For some, he
Grants it.
grants it.
He is the chairman of the committee.
Forest land, revenue
Don't
land.
have any extra
Sir.
power, my lord.
Extra power.
My lord,
Forest
one
land,
among the
forest
members.
land, government land ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
My lord, whatever, my lord.
Whatever, that's
No,
what
not
is
like
there.
that, my lord. The revenue inspector, they
No, ನಾನು ಇದು
village
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ
accountant,
ನಾನು
they
ಇದು
will
ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
place a report before the
ಯಾಕೆ
Tahsildar.
ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ
Tahsildar
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
once recommends, my lord,
No,
then
no,
only he can grant.
ಅರುಣ್ ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸರ್,
Yes.
ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ, ನೀವು ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that has to be proved, my lord, after filing of the charge sheet and
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
trial.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
I am only accused, my lord. That is not.
Correct, I am not saying you are convicted.
Yes, that's what, my
Yes.
lord. It amounts to conviction otherwise.
What amounts to conviction?
He is at the
Investigation ಮಾಡೋದು is conviction ನಾ?
under trial prisoner, my lord, at the best, my lord, he can.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಗರ್ ಹುಕುಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಹಾಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ may not say, my lord.
prima facie opinion is that, sir.
That is important, my lord. Prima facie.
ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ prima facie am I passing an order of conviction here?
Reason why, my
That
lord.
basic thing you
Still
must
it is-
know, sir. I am answering 482 or a bail petition. It is only prima facie.
That's what.
I am not passing orders of conviction here.
But it will go, my lord, in a different way in public domain. That, my lord, the
Public domain different way ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
my lord, the live streaming is there, my lord. That is why it will go viral.
ಓ ಆತರ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡಿ.
Not that, my lord. But the matter is under investigation. Is a matter.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ಏನ್ prima facie ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
After lapse of 2 years, my lord, all of a sudden this CID goes and arrests him.
ಅಲ್ಲ, that will see.
This is also a matter to be considered.
ಈಗ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮುಗ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ?
No, investigation is ongoing, my lord. There are various other documents.
Questioned in the pending
No,
case.
there one,
Crime
your lordship
registered
may
in the year
recall, my lord, the
2000.
conduct of the petitioner itself. Your lordship may recall, my lord. The grounds of arrest, the contention raised, the grounds of arrest has not been served. And
Tampered.
tampered. And the acknowledgement, he himself put 5 days later.
No, no, no,
Yeah,
that is not
document is
correct
supposed to
statement.
sign on
But
19th.
ultimately, they have
He
put
signed it.
Whitener is important.
No, Whitener we have put it. We signed it
For
as
2
26.
pages. My lord, he serves copy to 3 different
And if-
people, my lord,
if
3
this-
different
if the
grounds
per-
of arrest.
If the person can tamper this document when we produce him before the magistrate, this document, my lord, speaks volume.
My lord, your lordship may 1 hour whether we decide this matter, my lord, because.
ಹೌದು,
since he is-
1 hour other ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
my lord, my
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
request, I am not, my lord, because
We
otherwise.
will
my lord,
decide it 1 hour the other way. Yes, ಯಾವ
Next week.